Yeah, you're right, good
minus
call.
2, so
Yeah, because this was the derivative of the first times the second, plus the second O times the derivative of the first. Okay, so let's fix that. I'm up for fixing now. Okay, so then I had, that's going to be minus 4, huh? Minus 4. Is that it?
no.
No? Okay, there's probably more than, huh?
Oh, you're right, you're right.
Is that it? Okay. All right, good. Let's go forward with that. This is going to be a forward burner. So let's go back over here. Okay, so help me out. We're going to substitute the solution back in. So my first one to substitute is C-O-Y. Okay, could someone read this off for me? C double prime E, the minus 2t, is it minus 4 C prime? E, the minus 2t, is it minus 4 here? Plus 4. Plus 4, what? C E to the minus 2t. Okay, then we have plus 4 here. And we're going to multiply that by our y prime. Our original equation. I erased it, it was right here. And then let's go look back to your original equation. Is that plus 4? Y prime? Good. Yeah, let me write that up here so we don't lose track. So now let's do this. Substitute. Sorry about that. I'm so excited to see if this would work. Substitute into original equation. Let's write it this way, differential equation. E, which was y double prime plus 4y prime plus 4y equals 0. So that's what we're plugging in. We have y double prime goes into this first term. We have y prime, that's going to go to our second term, and then we have y, that's going to go to our third term. So here we go, 4 times y C prime E to the minus 2t minus 2 C E to the minus 2t plus 4 times C E minus 2t equals 0. Oh my gosh. All right, cleanup time. Got to do some cleanup. So I know I only have one C double prime. So let's write this. C double prime E to the minus 2t. Remember to distribute through minus 4 C prime E minus 2t plus 4c E minus 2t plus 4c prime E minus 2t minus, oh, minus 8. Wow. 8. It always makes me nervous. 8, I don't know why. C E minus 2t plus 4c E minus 2t equals 0. Okay, like terms, what do we have? I'll let you go ahead and finish it. We have, hopefully we have like term bill. Look at this. This is time for a new color. And I'm gonna I have to commit this cardinal sin. Look at this. Here's a minus 4c prime. Here's a plus 4c prime. So I'm gonna just do this. Oh! Oh, and look at it. They have this beautiful dark green. I've never seen one of these before. Let's try. And then look at this. Here's 4 C's. Here's 4 more. That's 8 C's, but we get to subtract 8 C's. Whoa, look at that. It's kind of been worn down, so this is on its end days. So let's see what we have. This gives me C double prime e to the minus 2t is equal to 0. Okay. This is a real solution. It's just a number. Is it ever 0? Are you sure? It's never 0. So you can divide by it. So let's do that. Let's make our lives easier. This is C double prime is just 0. Oh. And now we just integrate. So let's take it, we'll integrate. So let's take the integral. We're going to do an indefinite integral of C double prime. I'll write of t here so we don't forget dt equals the integral 0 dt. These are indefinite integrals, so we're going to get C prime of t is equal to some constant, I'm going to call it C1. Now what shall we do? The same thing. Let's do the same thing. So let's come over here. So now I'm going to take the integral C prime of t, and I'm going to take the integral of C1 dt. The integral of the derivative, that's the fundamental theorem of calculus. C of t equals, well, the integral of C1, that's going to be C1 times a variable t, but this is an indefinite integral, so we need to add another constant. We'll call it C2. We're done. We did it. Do you see what it is? Look at what happened. So we said this. Let's go back. Let's not forget. It's easy to lose sight after you go through 2 boards worth of work. We said that Rhinol was just, it's some function, the constant of some function t to the minus 2t. But then we just discovered that this is c1 times t plus c2 times e to the minus 2t. We can simply distribute. I'll go this way so we can fit it on the board and everyone hopefully see. I'll go up here. Let's distribute. And so we can say our null solution is equal to, I'm going to write it down here so it all fits nicely. Y null is C1 times T e to the minus 2t plus C2 e to the minus 2. All right, let's stop there. Let's take an 11-minute break. When we get back, we're going to take a look at the general form and we're going to draw our future over there. All right, so take an 11-minute break.